Yo guys, this is the FX Amir. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, where I'm gonna be documenting and dropping my weekly and sometimes even daily trades here with you guys. I'm not just gonna be dropping, rather I will be breaking down the trades. Yeah, I mean the reason behind every single trade I take with you guys. So do well to like, share, yeah, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Yeah, let's go, guys. So, this was the first trade I took this week, and simply sharp, sharp. The reason behind it is that, yeah, the market was in an uptrend. Yeah, so I spot this break to the upside. Then this this is my inducement here. You can see it. So as price came back, I marked my POI, tap my stop loss just below this candle here. So that's it. That's the first trade. And the second trade, yeah, I saw another break here. Yeah, I knew the market was strongly bullish. So at that time, I just looked at my inducement. Yeah, I spot my inducement here, and then here comes the second trade. Well, anyways, later, later the trade hits back even. Well, that just it. So this is the first trade. Let's check the second trade was BTC, I think. Yeah, BTC. So let's quickly check BTC. It's not logging to my location. Let's check. So I noticed, yeah, BTC was crazily bullish, it was in an uptrend. So what I did simply was that I noticed these bearish movements here. Sorry, sorry guys. Um, these movements. So this was the first break to the upside. That means the change of character. So I do well here. Yeah, I mean it here. This is the first break. So I do well to manage and find out my inducement. Yeah, my inducement and my POI. This is my point of interest actually. Yeah, some people might be taking this other block, but my strategy says this is my POI. So as you can see, market didn't just tap my point of interest. Market moved up again, and eventually, yeah, I think the next day, right? Oh, I analyzed the market on Sunday, right? The market came to my point of interest on Tuesday, and still I missed this trade with few pips. So, oh, network. So the second entry, yeah, I noticed market. So the reason why I was taking buy setups on BTC is that I saw a liquidity that I think market once I see that liquidity, mostly I know market will take out. So this general liquidity, I know market will eventually come and take this general liquidity. So that's it. I noticed this bearish move here, and this is the break, change of character, or whatever. This is my inducement and the POI, as you can see, same thing. I missed again. Look at the pips. Yeah, I think on this trade I missed $60 to $900. Yeah, I was about to flip $60 to $900. Profile, guys. Profile. So this is the top trade. Before taking this, I took trade on Ethereum. But let's finish with this BTC. So I noticed this break, these consolidations here. market has been consolidating like this, like this. So I noticed this break. So this was the break. So market broke to the upside. So I spot my inducement, my and then my POI. Yeah, and let the market move. Eventually, market came and this time around it tapped my POI and hits TP. 1:14. I missed this 1:15. Let's see this one. 1:10. I managed to catch 1:14. 1:00. Yeah, this is also 1:4. This is also 1:14. This is 2028. I'm not good in mathematics, yeah. So let's look at Ethereum. Yeah. This trade actually I didn't take it right because I just mark it out to know if market trigger and respect this point of interest, so I know market will continue the bullish movement. And yeah, as you can see on BTC, I told you about this channel line liquidity. Once I see this channel line liquidity and the market is in an uptrend, so I just know that market will clear this liquidity before reversing. So that's it. This is the first trade, and funny enough, Sha, I took a loss on this trade. Yeah, I noticed this small bearish move, and yeah, the break to the upside, inducement. Yeah, I can use this as my inducement. This one, but I just want to keep my tax clean, so I do this thing, and I marked my pure eye here. My stop loss just below the candlestick. It triggered and started moving in profit, and then eventually it hit stop loss, and that's it. Then the third trade, still, I noticed market didn't take out this liquidity, so I know I should be looking for what, guys? Yeah, for buys. So I noticed this break again. Actually, there was a break here, but it was mitigated. Anyhow, sure, you may not understand now. So I noticed this break, and this is my valid pullback, which stands as my liquidity in this month. Yeah. So then I marked my POI, and still this one to market tapped and hits take profit eventually. So the trade was 1:7. Yeah, I missed 1:18 here. Yeah, that's it. Let's check the Telegram. Let's check the before and after of the trade. Yeah, this is the gold first trade. This is it. It triggered the second trade. Yeah, this is the BTC. BTC, it means BTC second trade. Yeah, this is it. $60 to $900. I was about to call this flip. That's it. Ethereum. I hit a sell on this Ethereum, and then this BTC top buy. It's TP. Yeah. Ethereum top buy. Yeah. It's TP. All right, guys. Um, um, so guys, this is how I traded this week. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for watching.